Welcome to All Kids TV.
Hi kids. Welcome to Basic English Conversation Practice. Today, we'll learn how to say hello and how are you. Let's get started. Hello, everyone.
Hello, teacher.
Did you hear that? The teacher said hello and the kids responded hello. This is how we greet people.
Hello. My name is Jack. What's your name?
Hello, Jack. My name is Emma.
Great job, Jack and Emma. They used hello to start a conversation.
Hello, Mrs. Smith. How are you?
Hello. I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Hi, friends. How are you all?
We're doing well, thanks.
Try asking how are you whenever you greet someone. It makes them feel happy and cared for.
Good job today, everyone. Remember to practice saying hello and how are you.
We will. Thank you, teacher.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, and see you next time. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos.
Hit the bell icon and subscribe for more videos.